Most Americans think an 800 credit score is reserved for the wealthy or financial experts. But that's changing in 2026. Millions of ordinary Americans are improving their FICO scores faster than ever, simply because they understand how the credit system works. It's no longer out of reach. The belief that an 800 credit score is exclusive to the rich is just a myth. It's about knowledge, not just income. Banks don't just reward high income. They reward consistency, low risk, and smart financial behavior. Understanding this is key to changing your financial future. Your credit score affects far more than just credit cards. It's a foundational piece of your financial life. In the United States, your score impacts mortgage approvals, car loan rates, apartment applications, insurance premiums, and even some job opportunities. A low score can cost someone thousands of extra dollars over time through higher interest rates. Smart Americans treat their credit score like a financial asset. Our first major strategy for an elite credit score is mastering credit utilization, which is the percentage of available credit you're using. To build an 800+ score, keep utilization below 10% and ideally below 5%. Low utilization tells banks you're financially disciplined and not dependent on debt. This signals low risk to lenders. The second major strategy in 2026 is payment automation. Remove human error completely to protect your score. Even one late payment can seriously damage your FICO score. Financially smart consumers use automation to ensure bills are always paid on time. Use banking apps and auto-pay systems. Some even make multiple payments during the month to keep balances low before data is reported to credit bureaus. Strategy number 3 involves being smarter about applying for new credit cards. Avoid opening random accounts. Strategically choose cards that increase your total available credit, which naturally lowers utilization, while offering useful rewards and cash back. Be careful to avoid too many hard inquiries, as excessive applications in a short period can temporarily lower your score. Let's quickly cover 2 common mistakes people make and 2 powerful tools for improvement. Do not close old credit cards. Credit history length matters heavily, and closing older accounts reduces the average age of your credit profile unexpectedly. In 2026, secured credit cards and credit builder loans are becoming popular tools to build a stronger financial profile without massive wealth. Real credit improvement comes from repeated smart habits, not overnight fixes. Focus on the fundamentals. Americans reaching the 800 credit score level focus on fundamentals like on-time payments, low balances, long credit history, and careful borrowing decisions. Your credit score is more than just a number. It's a financial passport that can completely change your future. Start making smart decisions today.